Especially to all Filipino developers to join our Microsoft Startup Camp. This is really a big help for startups. We don't just give you free software and Azure. We also provide very important knowledge and guidance in terms of starting up your own business. And at the same time, we want to help Filipino developers to be globally competitive.
Now that TikTok Johnson is formally launched, and which hoping for the next event, the gaming development will be able to pursue with the help of Microsoft.
It's really heartwarming to see people attending the event. The first startup event in Jensen. We saw people who are really eager in learning a lot of technologies, and we like to see them succeed in their future endeavors in terms of creating their own startup and become successful. And I personally is happy to be part of the first startup event here in Jensen. And we look forward to be invited again in the future and to share our knowledge and expertise in the technology that we love, and also our passion in entrepreneurship. So congratulations, Jensen.
So thank you so much, Jensen. We're so overwhelmed with turnout of the event. Now we have so much participants today, and we hope to see you again in our upcoming activities and spur much anticipation and participation also from the tech industry, tech community here in Jensen. So again, don't forget to like our page, techtalks.ph Jensen, techtalks.ph, geeksonabh.com. Thank you.
So I just wanted to thank, the people of Jensen, for a very warm reception. That event was just all amazing, lots of attendees, the venue was full, people were very interested. We didn't have anybody leaving, despite the breaks. Love the energy. We really hope that we were able to also give something back to Jensen. We very much appreciate the hospitality, but we hope that whatever we brought here today, the people were able to pick up and that they get something out of it. Hopefully, it will encourage them to be more creative, build their own startups, lakasan ng loob nila to do more. And, they should know that, behind them, as they do this, definitely can also count on Microsoft through our BizSpark program to help them grow in their endeavor on their startups. So again, thanks to Jensen. Hopefully, when we come back here, you invite us back. First of all, you invite us back. And if ever we do come back, hopefully we'll get more people attending and experience the same energy and enthusiasm from the people who attended today. So, yeah, thank you very much.
Well, maybe the next apps like Facebook will no longer be from outside of the Philippines. It will be developed here in the Philippines. Filipinos will develop something that similar to Facebook that really go globally.
Okay, I'm quite excited, and this is a big step for Jensen, and it's simply awesome. So just join us in Tech Talks Jensen. Thank you.
Yeah, no, I'm very happy with Tech Talks Jensen. This is exactly what I was envisioning that we have this community here and we can help people and really use Hub 88 as the vehicle to really get some exposure, get people from Jensen to be known, not just for tuna, not just for boxing, build something new, right? I really hope that more and more people join our cause, join our group, and I'm very happy for the turnout. It was great, and people looks like they learned a lot of stuff, and I look forward for the next one.